Susie, I really love lots of aspects of this house, but it really does need updating. Just look at this bathroom. I'm not going to have the money after closing to fix it up. What am I going to do?
You have nothing to worry about. There are great rehab loans out there where you're going to be able to fix everything up based on the future value of your home. And guess what? You only have to put 5% down.
So I'm concerned. I want to have my colors and my design, and who is going to help me fix this?
You're going to be able to do everything that you want, and you're going to be able to select your own contractor, the contractor that you trust and have worked with for years.
Look at this eyesore. Who's going to buy a house that needs so much work?
Caroline, you have been looking for so long to find that perfect home, and you know what? It doesn't exist. So why don't you take out a rehab loan, make all the repairs that you need, you're financing it in, and you're going to have the home of your dreams.
Well, I have been rather particular, so maybe this would work out for me, but what would I have to make 2 payments while I'm living in the house?
No, with these loans, we have thought of everything. We realize that the property is uninhabitable, and we don't want you living in a home that is not safe, and so we are going to allow you to finance in up to 6 mortgage payments while you can't live in the property.
Oh, that sounds possible. That sounds promising, but I really don't want to make the seller upset with my offer doing a rehab loan.
There's nothing that the seller has to worry about or the agent. All you need is 45 to 60 days to close the deal.
Cool. Excellent. Talking with you really gives me the confidence to go proceed with my offer.
Fabulous. This is going to be fun and easy, and I'm so excited to work with you.
Hey, Caroline, thank you so much for introducing me to Susie. I'm really excited to put in my offer. Hi. Oh, great. Yeah? You had a great conversation with Susie. Okay, so I'm excited to get started with you. I have your offer right here. I'll be right over.